Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here with 31 days of scrapbooking in December, where I make a scrapbook layout each day throughout the month, and they're all Christmas themed. Today I'm starting off with the sketch. Today is day 8 and I'm starting off with the sketch from Page Maps. It is a 1-photo sketch, and you can see it uses 1, 2, 3 papers with a journal spot and what looks like washi tape or a different pattern paper strip across the bottom. So what I've pulled out of my stash is this. This is the Christmas collection, the Christmas 2020 collection from Felicity Jane. These 3 papers are from that line. This one almost looks like it has a snowflake pattern on it. And this one is, of course, black and white and gray, and this one is pink dots, pink with white dots that could almost represent snowflakes. The back has Christmas trees on that one. The back has a red and white stripe, and then this one, the back side, is a black and white gingham. So I've pulled in a pocket page card, and I'm not sure if this was from this December, the Christmas kit, or if it was from the grab bag that I purchased. This one I know was from the grab bag, and it is just a journal spot, but it matches the same color, and in the back is a dot grid. Here's my photo, and I have scrapbooked this photo several times. It is my granddaughter and her PJs so that she got for Christmas. She was so into Monster High. I think that's when it was coming out, and so she was all about that, and she was all about those PJs. This is a plaid black and white Felicity Jane card, and then I have all of this. I have a floral ephemera piece. I have some washi strips here. I have the word Christmas that I had previously cut out. I have morning here. I have a bow. I have a couple of little tabs here. I have a label. I have this wood veneer that's in a wreath shape. I have this tag that is a Christmas tree shape. I have a sweater sticker. I have this little ephemera piece, and then I have some washi tape representation of ones that I might want to use. And I also pulled out my silver metallic sewing thread as well. So the initial sketch has a little cluster down here at the bottom, and looks like what could be thread circling that little camera. And then here around the title, there's also some string looking stuff that could possibly be twine, you know, or string or whatever. So give me a few minutes, let me work on this, and I'll be back to show you what I have in just a minute. Oh, and I'm going to put the sketch up, so if you want to pause and have a closer look at the sketch, or if you want to use a sketch, feel free. We'll only put it up for a short time, but then I'll be back to show you what I have. Okay friends, I'm done. I have layout number 8 done. Now I'll remind you of the sketch. I know you just saw it, but here we are again. And I followed it fairly closely, and this is what I came up with. I used all the embellishments that I had, all those strips of washi tape, even the silver thread, as well as I pulled in some silver sequins that I have. So I did my journaling here beside the photo. I fussy cut the snow globe, put the little bow on top of that, put my Christmas morning down here, and I think I'm going to go over that Christmas. I'm going to outline it with the black marker because it's just not showing up. Up here, I cut this wood veneer in half, used half of it here and half of it here. I layered up my washi strips. I layered up the label and the little tabs. I put the white sweater on cardstock and fussy cut that. Layered the holly leaf over top of that, used some sequins up here, and you can see the journal spot that I had with the plaid. I just cut it in half and used it in a strip right there. let's see, down here on this cluster, again, more washi strips, more sequins, the other half of that wood veneer, and then the Christmas tree and the floral piece there, and then that green title down there, and I just kind of did some thread behind there. And you can see all down across the bottom where I put that scrap piece of red paper, I also went down and put in all different colors of the washi tapes. Even behind this little layout, I have that one with the Christmas trees. I really like how this one came out. It turned out just exactly how I had it pictured in my head, with all the blue bits of embellishment. Yeah, so I'm very pleased with this, other than the fact that once that glue completely dries, so that whatever might be around it is not going to interfere with the ink when I put it down and ruin my ink pen. So I'll wait, and when that gets completely dry, then I'll outline it, and then I'll take some close-up pictures so you guys can see at the end. Anyway, that's it for day 8. Make sure that you come back every day during the month of December, where I'm going to be sharing a layout, a Christmas layout every day. I do have some double pages coming up, so stay tuned for those. I think they're going to be in a couple of days, but I'm not certain. Sometime during the month. That's all I can say. Yeah. So anyway, I will see you guys on the next layout. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.